ordeal talking to the media there. Chris, we're putting you on the hot spot.
Well, a lot of people are wanting to cast blame as to what is going on here. When I see those people sitting on the road, I actually look myself and think, what could we have done better?
Did this come unexpectedly?
Well, it did not come unexpectedly. Now, the intensity of the snow and the snow accumulations were a little bit higher north of the city. However, we were saying here in Atlanta, we could see 1 to 3 inches in areas south, 1 to 3 inches, and on the north side, it would be lower amounts. But on the north side, we did have some higher amounts. However, though, where we are having those problems here in Atlanta, there was a winter weather advisory in effect last night. It was upgraded at 3:38 this morning to a winter storm warning for Atlanta. All these roads that are blocked right now, it was upgraded to a winter storm warning at 3:38 a.m. So you can decide for yourself, was that enough warning between 3:38 a.m. and when the snow started coming down between 10 and 11 o'clock at night to treat the roads? So when the governor's saying that this was not unexpected, we have been talking about this for days. However, it did take a little more of a track to the north than we had thought, and there are some higher snow accumulations to the north than we were expecting. But to say this was unexpected, we've been telling people about that for a long time. So, you know, we're all going to look at that. I hate seeing these folks that are sitting on the side of the road, and I, again, look at that and think, how could we have portrayed this a little more? You and I talked yesterday at the end of the 6 o'clock news about that line right over Atlanta, the importance of that. If it shifts more to the north, that goes the difference between a lot of snow or no snow and who all is going to be affected. We talked about it again at 7 o'clock last night. At 10 o'clock last night, we answered questions from our viewers, and one of our viewers asked us about the storm in 1982 snow jam, and we started talking about that on air last night, that the timing of this storm would be similar to snow jam. So, again, maybe we could have been a little more intense about the severity of the storm.
There is to it.